Hello, friends and family from around the world. This is Mike with Daily Events Worldwide, and we are on April 27th, 2024. Welcome to another surviving day on the planet, and welcome to the Volcanic Activity Report, and as well a look at our planetary positions for the month of April. As we did have a Mercury Retrograde going over the past week and a half, affecting our planet, as we did have quite an earthquake uptick worldwide. All the earthquakes in Taiwan, many other seismic events have been happening during this Mercury retrograde. So Mercury retrograde is when Mercury goes in between our sun and our planet Earth. This is a look at our solar system now and current planetary positions for all of our players in the solar system, all still in one corner of the pie. Now let's just have a look at exactly what we just went through over the past couple weeks with Mercury passing in between the sun and Earth. We also had the total solar eclipse there last month. Many celestial events. We were able to see Jupiter and Venus during this. And there is Mercury going in between our planet and the sun. And any time that happens, earthquakes do increase worldwide. We've been well over 250 earthquakes in a 24-hour period for the past 4 or 5 days now. And it does not seem to be slowing down. Now we have 48 volcanoes erupting worldwide. So here's a quick glance at our planetary positions for April 2024. And now let's have a look at our current volcanic eruptions. Overall, right now, 48 volcanoes are in continuing eruption status as of April 19th, 2024. Typically, there are 40 to 50 continuing eruptions, and that has increased since I started reporting here. Before, it was 20 to 30, but now 40 to 50 continuing eruptions are average. Typical, they say. But 48 is still a very large number for active and erupting volcanoes. Now let's have a look at volcano discovery here. We can show you, this is the last 24 hours for earthquakes, showing all the circles that are earthquakes and the triangle volcanic icons here. Red meaning erupting. So we've got Popocatépetl, Santiaguito, and as well Fuego. Notable activity all around Fuego today. As well Masaya, which is a very large volcano, showing signs of eruptions. Notable activity at Rincon de la Vieja, and as well Pos, I guess it's Pos, volcano, Guatemala. Then we get over to South America. Where we have the active and erupting Reventador, Nevadas de Ruiz, as well Cotopaxi and Sangay. Down into Peru, active and erupting Sabancaya, minor activity at Ubinas, orange eruption warning. Further south into Chile here. Notable there, unrest, and as well Villarrica. And Puyehue, Cordon, as well showing signs of activity. Towards the South Sandwich Islands, of course, the Michael volcano has been emitting SO2 and particulates for quite some time. Documented here with daily events worldwide. Overlooking Africa, Nyiragongo, and as well near Miragira, and Oldoño Langai volcano. Further north here, Urta Ale, Somalia. And then into the Mediterranean towards Italy, Mount Etna. Orange eruption warning as of April 11th, and Stromboli actively erupting. Notable activity at La Palma, Canary Islands. 4 hours ago, Portugal, Azores. 5.0 magnitude, North Mid-Atlantic Ridge, leading right up to the Wreck Janes volcano, which has been erupting for quite some time. One large cinder cone left. Carrying on here to the rest of the world, Barren Island volcano, south of India, as well Merapi, through Sumatra, Krakatoa, Semeru, Ruang. Now that's a different Ruang. That's the Indonesia Ruang. There's also a northern Indonesia Ruang. Luatobi and Luatolo. Luatobi is a new eruption, and Luatolo, pretty sizable eruption, April 8th. We've also got a new one here, Gamalama, south of Ibu and Dukono. And then, of course, the Ruang volcano and Karangtanga volcano, just north of that, is erupting as well. Mayan volcano towards the Philippines. Stretch over here east to Papua New Guinea with the Manam, and as well Ulawan and Bagana. This is a new one here. Tinakula volcano started erupting March of 2022, or March 22nd, 2024. Yasser volcano and Aoba. Look at all that activity all around New Zealand. And then down into Antarctica with the mighty Erebus. And I don't know why they're putting the White Island volcano icon down there, but a little glitch. And then, yeah, look at all the seismicity increasing all across New Zealand, north and south. Carrying on here with the Volcano Islands region, Nishinoshima volcano. And south of Japan, Suwatajima and Sakurajima. Moving northward up into Kamchatka with Ebeko volcano. And as well Bezimiany, Kluchevskoy, and Sheveluch. Actively erupting through the Aleutian Islands, the Great Sitkin volcano. And then last but not least, Kilauea, which is on orange eruption warning status and has been for a while. Completely cooled crater summit. And there is one more volcano to report here. Fernandina volcano, Galapagos Islands. Look at the size of this island volcano. Just a massive shield volcano, and has been erupting for the last couple weeks. So heads up, everybody, stay aware and prepared, and check out the latest video for the sulfur dioxide emissions. Stay aware and prepared, stay young and have fun, and get your daily due.